This is how to use an abacus. This is a 2-5 abacus, meaning that there are 2 beads on the upper deck and 5 beads on the lower deck. What are the numbers on the abacus? Well, the ones or the units are on the far right, which is over here, and the tens are here, hundreds, thousands, and so on. All the beads on the lower deck is equal to 1 digit, while the beads on the upper deck is equal to 5 digits. This means that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and to represent 5, we could do this, or we could do this. First, we will learn how to add with an abacus. So if we wanted to add 5 to 7, we know this is 5, and this, and 2 of these is 7. So to make this easier, we can flick these 2 up and put one of these up, which also means that this is 110 plus 2 ones, which is 12. Thanks for listening.